Alrighty, so this is the first request of the stream, Slipping Away by Highwind, which is the side project for a couple members from Bless the Fall. We did check out, I believe, 2 songs of them before. Pretty cool. This is brand new, like a week ago. Oh, the way I said a week ago this came out there, Blad, and we're gonna be checking it out. This is requested by Seymour and Haley live on Twitch. Let's go.
It's Sep from Unison, and it's finally
What's up, Sep?
time. The Unison Beatmaker
Oh
blueprint
god,
is
it's
out
finally
right
time.
now.
So happy. Cool artwork. Ooh. Love this intro. The bass, this subtle pad, piano. Nice. Cool pause. The vocal layering, cool. That background reverb. Ooh, that piano chord with the delay, reverb vocal. Reverse. Love the chord progression. Okay. Damn. Oh, we're just picking it up. That came out of nowhere. I love it. Huge delivery, too. After being so soft. This is dope. Cool effect. Ooh, that was a cool transition. Stripping it down. Ooh, cool guitar. Only thing so far, I wish that vocal that brings in the chorus on that second time that just happened, I wish the main vocal was really loud instead of being in the background like the first time. That's the only thing I wish happened so far. That clean guitar. The atmosphere, the vibe. I love the vocal production, all the elements that they're doing. Nice. Sick background vocal. Nice melody. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. If there was some sort of like that it's repeating in the background. Yeah, some sort of like gang vocal or sing-along section to fill out that last part. I feel like that would have been huge, but holy crap, I am saving that song. That was really good. I like that a lot. Give it a thumbs up too. Great chord. That was my favorite song that I heard by them so far. The other stuff is definitely cool, and I do like it, but if this is another side to the band, then I feel like I'm really gonna start enjoying the band, because I love it when bands can be more aggressive and heavier stuff, but when they are able to just show, hey, this is like a song focused on songwriting rather than heavy stuff or just, you know, metalcore. You could tell the focus was, let's just write a good, simple song, because those are sometimes the hardest songs to write. Because they're so simple, you need to write it well enough that it's good, because it's like the basic song structure, and I thought everything was great about that. That was awesome.